When I received my package, it came with this yellow tape on the top of it. I guess it was to prove that it was sealed from the factory and that nobody messed with it. So I unsealed it and gradually took apart the box that it came in until I could get inside and get to the actual box for the headset itself, which is right here. This is actually the back of it. I put it the wrong way at first. I used this to get the wrapping off that was around the package. Once I took that off, then I had to pull this little strip off the top, and now I could open up the inside of the box. The first thing that came out was this little manual with all of these little accessories inside. Underneath it was the headset itself, inside of this little clear wrapping stuff. My first impression was that the headset was super light, and I was not used to how light it was, because my V2s are super heavy. Here I am showing the box as well as the headset next to all the accessories. Here's the back of the headset where you can adjust the head strap. That's where the battery is located. And here on the front is the part that rests on your forehead, as well as the antennas, which I'm raising up right now. Here it is lifted up in the air. You can also see the cameras on the front, as well as the lens protectors on the inside. The pass-through cameras are a super cool feature. Here I'm opening up the accessories. Here's some sort of foam strap. I'm not sure what this quite goes to. Here are some eyepieces for prescription eye lenses. And here is the OTA adapter. This is to attach your phone to the headset to see the output of the drone on your phone. And here's an instruction manual. Here's everything from inside the box laid out. So one of my positive first impressions putting this thing on is just how tight and snug and comfortable it is on your face. Most of the pressure goes above your head right here on this little strap, and the little shield around it blocks a lot of the light leak that comes out. It's actually really accurate at stopping the light from getting it. You adjust it by turning this strap right here, and that makes it wider. Turning it to the right makes it tighter. This is a super great method for head straps for VR headsets. So you turn it on by pressing that bottom button right here. See it right here on these lights. Turn it on, and then turn it on all the way. Beeps. Lights come on. She has power. So there's the unboxing and most of my first impressions. It's a super dope headset. The biggest problem at this point in time is that I don't own the Avata 2, and you cannot use the Goggles 3 with the O3 air unit. You can only use it with the O4 air unit. Well, you can't buy an O4 air unit. So I cannot use my Goggles 3 yet with anything that I own, because the only thing you can use it with is the Avata 2. So maybe I'm gonna buy the Avata 2. I'm hoping that they're going to update the Goggles 3 for a patch for the O3 air unit, and that would be merry because I have plenty of those. I'll happily buy an O4 air unit if those were to drop, but I can't do either of those because that's not allowed. So you can only connect it with the Air 2S or Air 3S, I'm pretty sure, Air 3. The Mini 4 Pro, and then the Avata 2. And I don't own any of those. So, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys watching. I cannot wait to use this headset. I've been on the Goggles V2 since I started FPV about 2.5 years ago. My only distaste about this headset is that the field of view is 44 degrees. In my V2s, the field of view is 54 degrees, so you're losing basically 10 degrees of field of view. It's not the end of the world, and apparently some people like it better because then you can see everything in a little tiny box, but I like a large field of view to make you feel super immersed more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.